Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is Jett from Estetica Designs in the color Caramel Kiss. Now, before I say anything else about this, I want to say that Estetica gave me samples, as in they sent them to me to make these videos of all of their summer collection. And I'm very happy they did that because I spend a lot of money on promotional products. So it was nice that they sort of helped me out in that regard. But I want to let you know about that up front so you don't think there are any shenanigans afoot here. Something that Estetica has been flirting with this entire summer collection is the concept of layers being cut at various lengths as opposed to, you know, each layer is a single length. This makes this such an interesting cut because see all the varying lengths here? All the way down to the end? Like razor cut like that? And it's on the top layer all the way around. That means that with that asymmetry, okay, sure, you can't really move the part around. That's a given. But you can really style this wig. You can do all kinds of stuff. I've got a mirror behind this camera, so I'm sort of playing in the mirror. I mean, you can seriously get some really nice shapes out of this hair. Look at how cool this looks in this Caramel Kiss color too. They picked such a perfect color because it's just so dynamic and it helps really call attention to all of that texture. If you want to really make the most of this, I recommend either the Jon Renau Contour Cream or the Beauty Mark Shaping Cream. They're both really great. They're kind of they're like a gummy type paste. You put them on your fingers and then you sort of work it through the hair, getting the shape you want out of it. You know, so you want it around the face and stuff. You make that paste sort of make it stay in place and then you just sort of let it dry. Like don't touch it for a few minutes. Wait till it isn't quite as goopy feeling. And then after it feels a little bit less goopy, you can spritz it with a little bit of like Belle Tress finishing spray. They have a really nice synthetic safe finishing spray. Kind of a strong smell, but it has a really nice firm hold compared to some of the other synthetic safe hairsprays. The Jon Renau synthetic safe styling spray is very nice and it has a pleasant smell. So I mean, just kind of play around, but I definitely recommend styling products with this hair to bring out the most of this incredible kind of rebellious unisex texture. And I really think this one would be a really sharp unisex style. I seriously, this is a really prime candidate for unisex. Let me go ahead and do 360 so you can see what Jett looks like on all sides. I mean, can you imagine? This one is so fun! I love the layering on this thing. And I'm normally not a pixie person. I tend to stay like kind of like with bobs, that's more my comfort zone. But as I've lost weight, I've noticed that I've been able to pull off more of these short styles. And this one's really fantastic because it has all of this potential for height up here. I try to, because I have an inverted triangular face shape, I try to stay away from stuff that has a lot of volume right here. And so having this volume right up here, I find very flattering on. Some days I just really enjoy playing with the hair. And this one's a lot of fun to play with. So all Estetica wigs are really generously sized. This is a very, very stretchy wig with a really stretchy cap. Great brand for members of the big-headed tribe like me. If you're curious about my measurements, just go ahead and check out the description. I always put that in there for you guys, or at least in the newer videos I do. Generous temple-to-temple lace front. So technically, she's got, you know, an open permatease top. But this really does help kind of ease that transition from the monofilament lace front to the rest of the cap, which has a little bit of permatease. Open wefting on the sides and back. We also have an extended open nape with hook enclosures. Boop. and open ear tabs, which are great if you wear glasses. As I've mentioned in previous videos, you can basically put them through the ear tab if you want to, or over or under. You just get that extra option of putting it through, which is really nice, especially if the ear tabs don't settle exactly where you want them to over on the sides there. The bang on Jett is 4.25 inches, but see how even here it's not evenly cut? That is on purpose. That's basically the whole point of this style. And you can see that it's unevenly cut, even though it has a gradient here in the front. This is where that asymmetry comes into place, because it's obviously much shorter here on the sides. If you want to wear those sideburns down, that's what that's going to look like over there. I'm wearing my glasses under the wig because this fits a little bit generously. I think the most important measurement on this whole wig is the nape, and that's only 1.75 inches. So I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com, and this has been Jett by Estetica. Jett! I keep wanting to sing the Wings song, and then I keep stopping myself. Anyhow, so beautiful wig. I'm happy they sent it to me. Pretty cool. I'm gonna look forward to wearing it in the summer. So thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure you subscribe and have a great night. Bye-bye.